Hello, how you doing? Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, we're going to do some lamb chops. Got some lovely little spices in there, little mixture, little marination we're going to make. They're absolutely delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, so you've seen we've got some lovely lamb chops there. We're just going to make a little marination for them. So I've got some cumin here. Paprika, sweet paprika. And then here, take a look at these three. I've got chili powder, green cardamom powder, and black lemon powder. That's black lemon powder. Salt. Black pepper. For this amount, like a tablespoon of garlic. And then here, roughly equal parts, like a cup each of olive oil and lemon juice. Beautiful. We're going to pour that over our lamb chops. So lamb chops in a bowl, marination all over. Then work it in. I've got a glove on here. It's going to sort of just get it, around that stuff. Now, if you can pop this in the refrigerator for 8 hours, overnight, wonderful. If not, and you're in a hurry, you can get them straight onto the barbecue or onto a pan. I'm going to cook these on the gas stove there, but they're great on a barbecue as well. Very simple. But yeah, if you can, overnight. So I've got here a flat pan. It's on a low heat. We're going to get our chops in there. When I say low, I mean it's above simmer. Just work that one in, perfect. Grab the marination, get it all in. Now I'm going to cook these for about, for me, 8 minutes. Depends on how you like your chops, but yeah, just like that, 8 minutes. That will burn off and it's going to be beautiful. See you in a second. Okay, so as you can see, got some beautiful juices on there, and they're starting to crisp up now. As you can see, all of the lemon juice and the marination has burnt off. So I'm just going to do them on the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then they're done. So they're crispy, but they're still really succulent. Can you see? Really succulent inside. That's because of all that lovely marination. I'll see you when they're ready. And there you go, absolutely beautiful. Just serving these with some rice, a little bit of sumac on the top, some chilies and some lime. Delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, check out the social media and all that other stuff I meant to say. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.